Milford Sounds is located in the Fjordland National Park. Hopefully we can get in. The bus driver announced that they got 3.5 meters of snow, so they sent some helicopters in to start bombing the snow to induce some avalanches. If it's too dangerous, they might have to turn the bus around and head back to Queenstown.
We're very optimistic of an opening early afternoon, so keep your fingers crossed it will get into Milford.
Alright, we are in luck. They just opened up the road. We are good to go. Alright, we're good to go then.
Like it's impossible to count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Drinking cold black coffee, I shake and shake, still won't get off me. Another blissed out fantasy where animals and objects talk to me. Always try and hate it, but then you laugh, it sounds outrageous. Spend another day sleepwalking. Is this having fun, or is it just because? Which one is jump?
We made it. We made it. I'm so stoked.
Alright guys, we made it.
Yay, we're here.
We made it.
High five.
We did.
It is, eh? Everything worked out. Road opened up. And here we are. Pio Pio Tahi. Which one? That one? That's Mitre Peak?
Yes, and the people who own these ships is whose vineyard we ripped out yesterday.
Oh, wow.
The last 3 days.
About to get on the boat. There you go, there's a little treat right there. A white heron. I think I might have to switch over to the wider angle lens for this. We're actually here, Milford Sound. It actually should be called Milford Fjord because these valleys were carved not by rivers, as sound would be carved through, but they were carved by glaciers.
I think we're alone on the
We're the only people on this boat. Gotta love the lockdowns. It's just 360 degrees of pure bliss, man. So much scenery, so much great scenery. Can't wait to get on this boat. Scenery.
Oh, we can.
Let's go on board. Let's go on board.
And there's toilets available on board. Come with me and we'll take care.
Is it just us on there?
There's a few more on the right.
Oh, okay.
So you got free tea and coffee here. As you can see from the current events, there's not a lot of people on this boat. We got cookies, coffee, and tea. And we're on.
Chocolate, I like setting off those bottle rockets. We can never compromise, but fight until the death keeps us alive.
Crazy to think that all of this was carved out by glaciers millions of years ago.
Spend another summer shit talking. Is this
Snag some more cookies.
Today's best boat to Milford and best day of the week.
Yeah, oh, it's been really sunny.
Yeah.
It's quite warm.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice. We went out this morning and yeah, it's really calm as well. So yeah.
That's great.
right in the back
Better steal me some more of these free cookies.
Hopping up the rock face, if you see the brownish looking boulder, look just to the right of that. You see him hopping up the rock face there.
Oh, yeah. There it is.
Certainly.
I've ever gotten to a wild dolphin.
He was huge.
It was massive.
Really big.
Big dolphin.
It's always been somewhere.
There it is. $3 trash bag.
Do I look like a tourist?
We're getting close to the Sterling Falls. We're gonna get wet.
Remain outside the spider, unlikely to kill anyone.
There you go.
Then head to the rear of the
We're like right in front of it.
Yeah, you can definitely feel the spring. There's so much wind.
Wow.
Refreshing. That's refreshing. I am soaked. I'm so soaked.
All I could hear is plastic. I just heard plastic rustling
Just
all around me. That was terrible.
This was a $3 trash bag.
Yes.
There we go. Yay. Oh man. It's gonna dry off a bit in the sun. Soaked head to toe. Thank you. Cheers. I lost my wife. Oh, there's Ling. There she is. Wow, what an experience that was. We got to enjoy the beauty that is the Milford Sounds, carved millions of years ago from glaciers, and we also got to see some marine wildlife. We saw some penguins, dolphins, and of course fur seals. How were the bathrooms?
Not bad.
Whatever.
Bathroom.
Imagine the heron was still there.
Yeah, I know, right?
There you have it. That was the Milford Sounds, what Rudyard Kipling called the 8th wonder of the world. I gotta use the toilet.
There's a rhythm and rush these days, where the lights don't move and the colors don't fade. Leaves you empty with nothing but dreams, in a world gone shallow, in a world gone mean.